Money Moves is sponsored by Delta Community Credit Union.
All right, well, we know the start of the new school year right around the corner, and it is so important for college students to learn about money management. Dan Kennedy spoke with Matthew Shepard, the Chief Operating Officer with the Delta Community Credit Union, on our 11 Alive stream about what students should know.
So much of their banking these days, I think, is done right here. You got Venmo, you got Cash App, Zelle. A lot of young adults barely even using cash anymore. So do you think students even need a checking account when they go off to college?
I do. Certainly, person-to-person payment platforms such as PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, they're wonderful tools for money movement and for payments, but they're not a substitute for a federally insured deposit institution. And parents really need to encourage their students to open and maintain both a savings and checking account with a local federally insured bank or credit union. Banks and credit unions are more broadly regulated and provide greater consumer protections and convenience.
So Shepard also mentioned that having a credit card as a college student can be useful, but it must be used with good management. I remember signing up for my first credit card because they were giving away free t-shirts. Don't do that.
Let's talk about credit. Should college students have a credit card to start off?
You know, credit cards can be a very useful tool. They provide security and convenience, and students can really use a credit card to begin to build a positive credit profile, which will help them later in life as they need to finance a car or a home. So parents can really work with their students to apply for a credit card. I would suggest a low credit limit, $500 or less, and really instruct them on the importance of paying off that balance on time and in full.
Georgia requires all high school students complete a financial education course to graduate. This will help both parents and students as they build their financial futures. For more stories on ways to save and spend your money responsibly, head on over to the Money Move section of 11alive.com. We'll be right back.